will be qualifying for the final.
We'll be starting with the mixed relay as per the schedule for sub-junior age group. In the first series, the teams are from Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala, Pondicherry, and West Bengal.
So from each series,
The first team members of all the 5 teams are on the start line. So it's from Tamil Nadu, Tejashri, Pragati S, Pranav, and Ahil. Madhya Pradesh is represented by Janvi Kotha, Prisha Soni, Rishan Khatara, and Aryan Rai. Kerala represented by Angelina Lindsay, Sarang, ES, Angelina Lindsay again, and Amaya. Puducherry is represented by Thanushri, Sushmita, Lohit, and Prashant. West Bengal is represented by Arohi, Chahak, Soyam, and Hitanshu. So these are the team members of Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala, Puducherry, and West Bengal, respectively.
okay, all set.
So it's 4, and as per the schedule, we are ready. And so are the first series, the teams in the first series. It's a mixed relay, 12 to 15 age group.
You are there for that. Please go. With the camera on. Okay. Caution is attention and the gunshot. Attention.
Attention.
Divyansh.
So the teams there.
Attention.
Okay, so ready. Attention. And they have started a mixed relay. And Tamil Nadu followed by Puducherry. And the Puducherry team is ready. Tamil Nadu team is as well ready. Oh! Whoosh! Puducherry team disqualified on the very first tag. Kerala team is also disqualified. Puducherry team, the skater fell there. Kerala, I think he was not able to tag properly. So in the game now, Tamil Nadu. Oh, that was close for West Bengal. That was very close. Got to be very, very careful. Puducherry has been disqualified very immediately after this. So, got to be very careful regarding the tags. It's West Bengal now. MP in the game. So, it's Kerala and Puducherry have been disqualified. So, 3 teams, total of a good push, a good tag there. Tamil Nadu, a beautiful tag that way. Good again, and it's now MP. Another a good tag. So
Right now we have only 3 teams.
So Tamil Nadu is doing a good job in terms of the tags, and there comes the West Bengal now. Another good tag by the West Bengal skaters. That was again good. So MP, it's Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, MP again. Tag, it's TN60. Pragati S is the Tamil Nadu skater who just tagged her teammate.
Remember, if you are overlapped by Tamil Nadu, then also you will be out.
So a warning been given to Tamil Nadu, the MP skaters. If the Tamil Nadu skaters overlap them, so then the MP team will also be disqualified. So MP team is kind of in the danger zone. And yeah, there goes the tag. MP 21 is the 25 should be Rishan Katara. Rishan Katara, they are going now fast. MP could be in pretty much danger zone. This lap or the next day could be in danger if the Tamil Nadu skater right now is TN60. Pragati S is now leading.
We should be running the full 20 laps.
Again a good tag. Now West Bengal skater WB58 Hitanshu Joshi was there who tagged just now. And MP in the danger zone very much. Tamil Nadu TN83 Ahil Mubarak could overlap now. Could overlap the MP skater. Oh, so MP has been disqualified. MP team has now been disqualified. And now the West Bengal team and Tamil Nadu team. So these are the two teams in action. Around half a lap of lead there. Tamil Nadu TN59 in action now. Tejashri, a pretty experienced skater. Tejashri. And it is now Hitanshu Joshi in action. Racer number WB58. Just now tagged by his team partner Swayam Kumar. Now TN60 again Pragati. Yes, that's the skater now who has been tagged. And they are West Bengal WB39 now. Arohi Sarkar in action. Now I believe the Tamil Nadu team has decided to go a little slow and steady. West Bengal's Chahak Malpani now in action. Now it's Tamil Nadu's TN54 is number TN54 Pranav. Around half a lap of beautiful tag there. Beautiful tag by skater number WB34, and that's Chahak Malpani. Beautiful tag again. Tamil Nadu TN54. Tamil Nadu's 54 racer number is of Pranav. Tamil Nadu and MP. Tamil Nadu and West Bengal both are tagging pretty good. Still around half a lap, but the gap is reducing. So it's they got to be careful. Now it's again beautifully tagged. That was Hitanshu Joshi again who tagged just now. So Ahil Mubarak now in action on the rink, in the rink here. And again a tag. Yes, that's good. WB34 in action. Chahak Malpani. TN54. TN54 is Pranav. And again. So they have been doing pretty good tags. The last lap bell about to go. Tamil Nadu leading. Look at the pace. Look at the comfort with which they are doing. Last lap.
इसको फॉलो कर सही है इसको फॉलो कर अच्छा रिले रेस थी ये पहले काम में तफसील हो गया पूरा इसके इस वक्त 4 कैमरे हो गए 4 कैमरे पजल हो गए अब
and beautiful race. So it's Tamil Nadu and West Bengal.
जो फर्स्ट वाला उसको फर्स्ट ही रख के दूसरे वाला को छोड़ तो नहीं सकते आगे कभी हो रहा है पीछे कोई हो रहा है